The question is how you can implement a given expression. Till now we discussed how you can implement these gates with the mux, right? Now the question comes how you can implement given function, right? Given boolean function using the mux, right? So the next, because I told you mux is your universal logic, and in the universal logic all gates can be designed and any given function can be designed using the mux, right? So now the function is, suppose this question is given implementation of given function using the mux, right? So the statement is given. We will understand this thing using one statement. You have to implement this function, and the function is this SOP form, right? This is your SOP form using 4:1 mux, right? This statement is given, right? So from here, it is clear that 4:1 mux, how many inputs are there? There are the 4 inputs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 select lines, right? So now from our previous discussion, this is the meaning of this expression. No? This is the meaning of this function, right? This is at 0th position, it is 1. At first position, it is 1. And at third position, it is 1. This is the meaning of this function, right? So now what are the inputs of this 4:1 mux? 1, 1, 0, 1. It is very simple, right? And this is your select lines, right? This is your select line, very simple. Like what is the conclusion from here, right? Conclusion from here is any two variable function can be realized using 4:1 mux. So see, for any two inputs there are only 4 possible combination. इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो सकते ना. There are only the 4 possible combination. Whatever will the output, that is act as your input of the 4:1 mux, right? So the conclusion is fine. Any two variable function can be realized using 4:1 mux. Agree with me or not? Yes. Right? You can implement any two variable function, but if there are the 3 variables, then it becomes the problem. Now I am going to tell you how to implement those things, right? So before that, I want to take one more example, right? So from that example also we will make one conclusion. So the example is implement function 3 variables function. This is given 0, 1, 5, 6, 7 using 8:1 mux, right? Now tell me, what is the meaning of this function? So the function is, this is your 3 variable function and this is your output, means all at this position 0, 1, 5, 6, 7. This is your output, right? So right, this is the possible combination for the 3 variables, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So at the 0th position, this is 1. First position, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 6. This is 1, 7. This is the meaning of this function, right? Clear? Now you have to implement this thing using 8:1 mux, right? And in the 8:1 mux, there are the 8 inputs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 inputs. And how many select lines? 3 select lines. You know this thing. Now, what are these inputs for this? These are your inputs here, right? These are inputs. What is the select line? Select line is A, B, C. So it is very simple. Now the question is, any three variables, can I say this generalized statement, any three variables function can be implemented with 8:1 marks, right? Yeah. So you can also generalize this statement, any n variable function can be implemented with 2 to power n into 1 marks, right? Here now the next question is, you will understand all these facts using these examples, right? So next example I want to take here is, so the question is, you can try this question at your home. Implement full adder using 8:1 marks, right? You can try this question at home. Implement full adder using 8:1 marks, right? You can easily implement now the full adder. You know the output of the full adder is A XOR B XOR C. This is nothing but three variable function, right? What is the carry? AB plus BC plus CA, right? So you can try this question at your home. You have to implement this full adder using the 8:1 marks, right? And you have to find out the how many 8:1 marks are required to implement this full adder. Now the question is, implement function ABC using 4:1 marks. Now understand, using 4:1 marks with, now these conditions are given, right? First condition is, means this part, this question is divided into three parts. First condition is AB as select line, AB as select lines, and AC as select lines. This is second condition. Third condition is BC as select lines, right? Now understand the difference between these examples. Here there are the three variables, right? But it is asked design or implement these three variable function using 4:1 marks, right? So in this type of questions, how you can carry out the things, right? So for these type of questions, first you have to draw the truth table. Okay, truth table of this function. So the answer is, first step is you have to write the truth table. Okay, so this is AB and the truth table is, sorry, this is one C will also come. This is the truth table. This is three variable function. So there are the possible 8 combinations. So these are your possible 8 combinations, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So now the output is, it is also given this output Y. This is means at 0th position, first position, or the 5th position, this output is 7th position, this output is 1. Here also at 6 also, right? Here. So now the point is, or the problem is, see, there are the three variables and only two possible select lines, right? So now for this type of questions, first you have to write the truth table, or first you have to draw the truth table, then you have to make a second table that is called the implementation table, right? Now how to make this implementation table? This implementation table will tell you what are the inputs of this 4:1 marks, right? So now enough, we are doing the first part now, right? This first part. Now we are doing the first part, right? Not second and third. So in the first part, this is your 4:1 marks. This is 4:1 marks, and here these are your select lines. This AB is your select lines, right? This is given in the statement, right? This AB is your select line. Now these inputs are unknown. You have to find out these inputs. Understand? Now in the implementation table, in the column, write I0, I1, I2, I3. See, remember, in various books, various methods are given to solve this type of problems. You can adopt any method, right? I am going to tell only this one simple method, right? These I0, I1, I2, I3 are your unknown, right? So this I am taking as a column. Like in this way you can make. Now see, it is given AB is your select line, right? It means this A and B is your select line. If both A and B is 0, 0, C is basically your what? C is your C bar, right? Now first of all, in the implementation table, you have to see in the implementation table, AB is my select lines, right? So your I0, I1, I2, I3 consist of AB or C. Can you tell me? Your input, it only consists of, yes, it only consists of C or maybe 0, maybe 1, right? These are only possible things, right? In the implementation table, these I0, I1, I2, I3 only consist of your C, maybe C bar, maybe 0, maybe 1, right? So now there are the two possibilities. Now in the row side, we write one side is the C bar, second is your C, right? Now from this truth table, it is clear that when both inputs are 0, 0, means both select lines are 0, 0, this is your C bar, right? When both are 0, 0, now this is your C here. So I am writing this 1 as a C and 0 as a C bar. Now are you able to see one pattern? Time repeated, right? So now this pattern is useful for the numbering. How you can give the numbers in the implementation table, right? So the numbering should be like this. See, for the I0, if it is repeated, right? If it is repeated, then I am writing this as here the 0, right? Here means at the 0th position, what is this? C bar, right? So that's why this C bar. Now I am writing this 1. Can I write this 1 here for the numbering? No, right? Because at the 1, this is your C, right? So this is 1. This is now 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. Any doubt till now? This is the way for the numbering. From the truth table, we have to find out the pattern, right? Here the pattern is, if at the 0th position your C bar is there, at the first position your C is there, means C is 1. If C is 0, we are taking as a C bar. If C is 1, we are taking as a only C, right? So at the first position there is a C, at the second position this is C bar, right? So now in the row side, first one is C bar. So we have to take as a 0. Can we take as a 1 numbering? No, because at the 1, what is? C is there. So you have to make this like 0 at the C bar, 1 at the C. Now again, this 2 C bar. In front of this C bar, we have to write those numbers which are as per your truth table, right? Understand? At the 3, there is C. At the 4, there are C bar. At the 5, there are the C, right? And so on. The next part here. Now your in the implementation table, now you have to find out what is I0, I1, I2, I3. Now see, it is given at the 0th position, 1 position, 5 position, 6 position, 7 position. This function is your 1, right? So now underline all those min terms, circle all those min terms, right? 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, right? These are all your min terms only, right? These are all your min terms, clear? And if in any column, remember this thing, if in any column, if there are two circles, then you have to write here 1. What is the meaning of these two circles? It means C plus C bar, right? It gives the 1. If there is a no circle, then it will give the 0. If there is a one circle, then you have to write in front of that variable, this is C. And if there are the two circles, then you have to write 1. Now these are your the inputs. See, in any case, suppose this circle is here. In any case, this circle is here. Then here we will put the C bar. Understand? That we will do in the next example or the next this part. Can I conclude one statement here? With the three variables, for three variables, this 4:1 mux can be used to implement sum of three variables. Sum of three variables, right? Means कुछ three variables functions we can implement with 4:1 mux, right? Because see, here only one 4:1 mux is needed, nothing that, right? So three variables function can be implemented, but not all. But two variables, all functions can be implemented with 4:1 mux, right? So we don't know which ones, but some of the three variables can be implemented with 4:1 mux. This is the second part. Now it is given AC as a select line, right? So again I am drawing the truth table here. So, come to this point, and here it is given AC as the select lines, right? So here it is given AC as a select lines, right? So this is the truth table, and here it is given which one is function 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear the thing, right? Now it is given AC as a select lines, right? Now these two are your select lines, right? So first for this you have to make the implementation table. Now here AC is select line. So in the inputs, what are the inputs? Inputs may be your B, B bar, 0 or the 1. This is only the possible combination, right? So here I am writing B bar, here I am writing B. Clear? Now the main thing is now the numbering. How the numbering is done, right? So now you have to find out the pattern, right? Now see, this is your select lines. A and C is your select lines, right? Now if both A and B 0, 0, what is B? Means this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So means when both A and B is 0, 0, so this is your B bar, this is your what? B bar, this is B, B, this is B bar, B bar, this is B, this is B. Now there is some pattern or not? Means at the 0th, at the first position, this is your B is your, this is your B bar, right? Means at the next 2 and 3, this is your B, right? And the next. So can I say this numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? You have to do the numbering like this. Means at the 0th, first position, this is your B bar. Now next the second and third, this is your B. Again for the next 4 and 5, this is your B bar, and again 6 and 7, this is your B. Clear the thing? Any doubt you can ask? Okay. Now see at this, now your, as per your question, at 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, these are your outputs. Now circle all those minterms. 0, 0, 1, what is the next? 5, 6, 7, right? Then accordingly, what are your outputs? What is I naught now? What is B bar? I1 is also B bar, I2 is B, and I3 is 1, right? Here 4:1 marks. These are your inputs. Select line is A. See, also you can verify. Also you can verify. If you write the output expression with these inputs, now you will get this function. You will get this function, right? You will get this function if you write the expression of all these things. These are your all the inputs: B bar, B bar, B, and the 1. Now tell me, can it is possible to implement these three variables with AC as a selectance with 4:1 marks? Because see, this B bar, for this B bar also we need one extra marks, right? One extra marks is needed, na? So the conclusion is 1 4:1 marks plus NOT gate, or we can say AND NOT gate, right? Or one NOT gate is used to implement any two variables as well as any three variables. Understand? Means one NOT gate and one 4:1 marks can be used to implement any three variables and any two variables, right? And only 4:1 marks is used to implement any two variables or some of the three variables. Some of three variables, right? Clear about these statements, right? So can you do the next third part? Third part. If BC is select lines, right? So I'm going to explain the third part also, because one examples I want to complete. So the third part is BC is the select lines, right? So again, go to the truth table of this. Here again I am writing the truth table: 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Right, and it is given 0, 1, 5, 6, 7. I think so it is given, right? 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, right? So now it is given BC is the select lines, right? So now it is given this BC is the select lines, right? Now, right? So now BC is select line, right? So now see, in the implementation table, again we will make the implementation table first, then the implementation table. See, this method is valid for all 4:1 marks, 2:1 marks, 8:1 marks, right? Here this is not only for the 4:1 marks, this is also for the 8:1 marks, right? I2, I3. Okay. So now this is BC select line. So here input should be in form of A bar and the A, right? So now what is the pattern? How the numbering is done here? For this case, see, yeah, so for 0, 1, 2, 3, all this is your A bar, and the next 4, 5, 6, 7, this is your A, right? So in the simple way we can do the numbering, and the numbering should be 0, 1, 2, 3, here 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And now as per your outputs, we circle these things 0, 1, 5, 6, 7. Now what is I note for this? I note is your A bar, here 1, it is A, right? Simple one. Here, so now the conclusion is any two variables can be implemented with 1 4:1 mux and any three variables can be implemented with 1 4:1 mux and one NOT gate, right? Similarly, for the similar statement for the 8:1 mux, right? Means any three variables can be implemented with 8:1 mux, but sum of four variables, right? And but 8:1 mux and NOT gate, any three variables as well any 3 and 4 variables can be implemented with this 8:1 mux and the NOT. Right? This conclusion, this is very important conclusion, right? At various times it is asked in your competitive exams, right? So now I want to give one more example of 8 is to these 4 variables. Should I give the 4 variables with 8:1 mux? Means implementation of 4 variables using 8:1 mux, right? So I want to give one more last examples on this multiplexer. So the question is, for example, this is your this is your function, 4 variable function, and it is your to implement this function using the 8:1 mux. It is given. You implement this 8:1 mux, right? So for 8:1 mux, but there are the 4 variables. So maybe NOT gate is used, right? So that similar method we have to follow the for this process, right? So if it is not given which one is select line, if it is not given which one is select line, then for the simplicity you have to take the these 3 as a select lines, because for the 8:1 mux, how many select lines are there? 3 select lines. So you can use this first ABC as a select lines. What happens in this case? In this case, in the implementation table, you can easily follow the pattern. You know the pattern means one times it is A bar, D bar, then D, then D bar, then D, then D bar, and then D. Right? Understand, na? For example, if we want table for the same. So for more variables, there is no need to write the two table again and again. Right? That is in the previous example I have mentioned only for the practice point of view. Right? So for the 4 variables, suppose there are the 4 variables 0. This is the pattern for the 4 variables, right? This is the pattern, na? Right? So and so. So again, always it is D bar, D, then D bar, then D, right? If I am taking ABC as a select lines, right? So how to write the implementation table for the same? So it is I0, I1. Now there are the 8 inputs, right? So you have to write 8 inputs, I3, I4, I5, I6 and the I7, right? These are your the 8 inputs, right? So now what are the possible inputs of this? It may be your D bar, maybe 0 and the maybe 1, right? These are the possible inputs combination, right? So here I am writing D bar, here the D. And what is the pattern? Pattern is, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? It will go from 0 to 15, na? Right? It will go from the last 0 to 15. Here, now, as per your statement, you can circle all those min terms, right? This is your min terms 0, 1, 3, 5, 9, 13 and the 15, right? So now what is I naught? I naught is your 1, I1 is D, I2 is D, I3 is 0, I4 is D, I5 is 0, I6 is D, I7 is D, right? So this is your inputs of your 8:1 marks, and these are your select lines A, B, C, and these are your inputs 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, D, D, 0, D, 0, D. Right? Here it is very simple. Now can you design any of functions using this method? I think so. I have given sufficient examples for the same. So this is all about this lecture. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about the demultiplexer. So thank you very much. So students, if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can send me a mail or you can contact me directly. So for more video update, please subscribe this channel, fine, so that every information regarding your course or regarding this digital electronics lectures you can get easily, fine. Thank you for your attention.